I used to think programming was supposed to be hard and boring. I forced myself to open LeetCode and solve problems just to land a job. The repetitive grind of memorizing different algorithms for each problem was terrible. But then I realized something. Programming isn't like studying, it's like drawing, making music and being creative. I don't enjoy grinding LeetCode and DSA, but I love building cool projects. I can spend hours working on my projects without getting distracted. For example, I built a web application called Karubar to track inventory and sales in about a month while working a full-time on-site job from 9 to 6. Viewing programming as a hobby I could improve in made me eager to learn more about coding communities, new technologies, and computer science concepts I could apply. It transformed my initial pursuit of programming for money and job security into a genuine passion for building cool projects. Now, when I need to study something for programming, it's enjoyable because I know I can use it in my projects later. Currently, I want to learn Next.js, so I'm building a project where you can create your own landing page to list all your achievements, education, projects, and more in a timeline format. Building a project while learning really helps. Making programming a hobby has made the learning process much more relaxed and enjoyable, and more importantly, it got me coding every day. Of course, when coding for work, it's a different story, but treating it as a hobby while learning can relieve a lot of the pressure and replace it with fun. You're probably wondering how to apply this. Find an area of programming you love, whether it's solving coding challenges on LeetCode, cloning popular websites, or my personal favorite, building your own projects. Program what you love until you love programming.